we're working on getting the pilot house AC system installed, and right now we are running some white PEX cable there, which has to go from up here in the pilot house. AC is going to be sitting right here. Of course, the way the AC is sitting, it has to come over and then loop back. There's always loads of fun. So anyway, I got that puppy there. It goes from all the way up here, goes down, and this is not the run, this is where it's coming from our feeding. There you can see the feed, or the spool of it. Comes down from the pilot house, all the way down, drops down through here, goes into the equipment room, and then I can go down the next level to the equipment room, and then the equipment room comes in way over there, and that needs to go across that to that upper spot of the manifold. And there's going to be a second one, which is also going to come through that hole, drop down through there, and go into the keel cooler, which is underneath there, which would then go back to the pump, so that the keel cooler water is being pressurized by the tank up there. Yeah, this actually plugs into a tank up top. So that's the fun we are doing today. So 3 water lines are finally in. It was not fun at all. Working with that stupid PEX stuff is just, well, the smaller the 1/2 inch is not a big deal, but then at 1 inch is just a pain in the rear. So there's the condensation, there's supply, and there's return. AC units in place. Had to move the electrical over to here and rerun the electrical wiring. When it's there, we got the supply and return water line coming in. Actually, the supply line goes all the way down to the manifold. Got to put in a priming tank for the entire system right there. That's what that thing is, and it's going to fit in right there. So that's what we'll start with tomorrow, is that priming tank, and then we'll move to electronics, and then move back downstairs and work on getting the pump hooked in, and then we can prime the beast. Scary thought. Later.